לפעמים בדרך הוא ישיב כסף. I love this music. Music is for life.
Yeah, it started with rhythms I heard listening to the wall. The bouncing of basketballs on playgrounds and all. The empty bottles as hollow wind blowing inside them. The flow and the rhyming got my alignment to a science. Mixing with my mom's in the kitchen, them spoons rattling. Pots and pan, faucet water pouring, tunes managing to come from all the fussing and rambling. What I noticed was pure music untampered with by things showbiz does. Older thugs show the stuff, like how to hold the plugs. Juice from the street light, it almost could have blown us up. Crates of records, great sessions, had the whole hood jamming. Large speakers, fresh made, smell the wood sanding. Father did his blues smooth, legendary Jasmine. Saw his wife secondary to his true passion. Started with my crew rapping New Jackson 82. Never look back now, look what it changed me to. Music.
We gotta believe the children. We gotta believe in hope. We gotta believe in more. They know that we know. See, we gotta believe each other. We gotta open up our minds. Cause music is what life.
Yeah, turn me up. Yeah, what's the difference between me and you? Is I'm a real connoisseur of this rap shit. I really do it. My whole life, man, it's really music. Through my bass line, I'm living through it. Yeah, hanging pictures on my wall. Eric B and Rakim, KRS-One. Music to my ears like the flutes and the horns. Birth to the beat, one poof, then it's born. Yeah, now back to the essence, expressing and making magic. Music in my veins, it's a method to my madness. On the MP, touching keys like my vision impaired. Got the figure 4 on the kick, choke holding the snare. Back when I was young, I used to rhyme in the mirror. Turntable spinning records, headphones on my ears. It's a lifestyle, all on the streets and in Hollywood. Music in my DNA, it's my livelihood. Music.
We gotta believe the children. We gotta believe in hope. We gotta believe in more. They know that we know. See, we gotta believe each other. We gotta open up our minds. Cause music is what life.